Product development. Product development refers to the process of creating and launching a new product or improving an existing one. This can involve research and design, market analysis, prototyping, testing, and refining the product before bringing it to market. The goal of product development is to bring a product to market that meets the needs of customers and is profitable for the company. This can involve collaboration across multiple teams and departments, including engineering, design, marketing, and sales. Process of product development. The process of product development typically involves the following steps. Ideation, generating ideas for new products through market research, brainstorming sessions, and customer feedback. Concept development, evaluating and refining the product ideas, creating a product concept and defining the product requirements. Market research, conducting market research to validate the product concept and determine the target market and competition. Design and prototyping, developing prototypes of the product to test its design, functionality, and manufacturing processes. Testing, conducting both laboratory and real-world testing to evaluate the product's performance, reliability, and safety. Refinement, refining the product based on the results of testing and feedback from customers. Launch, bringing the product to market through marketing and sales efforts. Post-launch review, continuously monitoring the product's performance and making improvements as needed. This process can be iterative, with steps being repeated as necessary until a successful product is developed and brought to market. Product development techniques refer to the various methodologies and approaches used to design, create, and bring a new product to market. Some common techniques include: Lean Startup focuses on rapid prototyping and iteration to validate product ideas and minimize waste. Design Thinking emphasizes empathy with users, prototyping, and iterative testing to drive innovation. Agile Development, an iterative, flexible approach to product development that emphasizes collaboration and adaptability. Customer Development, a structured process for testing assumptions about a product and its target market. Minimum Viable Product (MVP), a concept in which a new product is released with minimal features to test its viability and gather feedback from early adopters. User-Centered Design (UCD), a design process that focuses on understanding the needs, wants, and limitations of end users. Rapid Prototyping, a technique for quickly creating a physical or digital model of a product to test its design and functionality. These are just a few examples of product development techniques, and the best approach can vary depending on the product and its target market.